Hi guys, this is Haspa with WTI.
And as a teacher, I do a lot of drawing on my teaching platform because I really need to explain my kids things in a simple way. And it just used to be so frustrating using a trackpad. But now with this HUION Inspiroy, it's a total breeze. And I especially love how lightweight and compact it is because I can move it anywhere on my desk or even take it with me if I need to teach from another room or another country. And the stylus is super light, so it feels so comfortable in my hand like I'm drawing with a pencil. It really feels like I'm drawing with a pencil. And the setup is really simple. The connection is also instant. It works seamlessly with Mac, PC, or even mobile devices, so I don't have to worry about compatibility. And the 6 by 4-inch drawing area is perfect for diagrams, notes, sketches, or even my silly drawings. And the customizable hotkeys make switching tools fast and easy. Using this tablet has completely changed my teaching routine. Drawing is smooth, it's fast, fun, and it just makes explaining concepts so much easier. So if you teach, draw, or work digitally, the Huion Inspiroy is practical, efficient, and a joy to use.
But that's just my point of view.